안녕하세요, 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami, and currently I'm at the in-laws. So I'm at Michael's parents' house. I do need to redo my roots. I have my products right here. I'm a little worried because I didn't bring my twist ties to section my hair. We got twist ties! I'm ready for my close-up. I've got my twist ties in. I'm super tired already, just like tying these twist ties for like 30-45 minutes. I think I have about like 40 something twist ties in my hair right now. I wish the lighting was a bit better, but like literally I have like the window all on one side. I apologize. I don't think there's any other way I can film in here, but we're gonna have to make do with what we have. I've got my High Lift Bleach 40 volume developer, my Olaplex. I'm gonna try something a little different this time. I've never actually done this before, but it was recommended to me by my mom. She said to try to put some anti-yellow color or like an additive into my bleach. That way the bleach will also kind of tone my hair as well. So I'm gonna try using the Igora Royal from Schwarzkopf 011 anti-yellow concentrate. I'll literally just put like the tiniest bit. I usually start at the top of my head, but people have been telling me to start at the bottom of my head. Of course, Nami's doing her hair with no gloves. Lighting is so bad, I can't see anything. I honestly can't see what I'm doing. Oh my gosh. This is such a challenge. This is like when I first started bleaching my hair all over again. I have no idea what I'm doing. Honestly, I can't see. Stress. This was a bad choice. Why? Why did I do this? Why? This is just wrong. I shouldn't have done this here. I should have just done it at home. I can't see anything. Wow, I am regretting this so hard right now. 그냥 대충 해. 뭐가 중요하다고. 원래 막 바르잖아. Like usually my mirror would be super close to me, but this is like literally like 2 meters away. I don't know what I'm doing. It's like too late to turn back. I could have turned back while I was tying my twist ties. Now it's just too late. To be honest, I'm trying to stay off of my scalp so that when I go in for the second application, then I can just put it all over. But like at this point, I'm just eyeballing everything. I kind of just have to trust my feelings. I've never done that before. Before I go and put a plastic bag on my head, I'm going to take out these twist ties so it's easier for me to wash my head. Oh, my fingers are starting to sting. This is definitely not okay. Please use gloves, okay? Okay, I'm gonna leave this on for like an hour, checking every 15 minutes. That was such a struggle. I think I like really messed up, but whatever. At this point, like if it falls off, if my hair falls off, which like I'm really worried that it'll fall off every single time I do my roots, or like if I do bleach anything to my hair. If it falls off, I'll shave it. If it doesn't fall off, then 45 minutes. It's lifting really well. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can tell, but it looks like it'll be ready in like 15 minutes. Do you see that? It's like just a tad bit darker in the middle. I'm kind of scared, but at the same time very excited. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Nami! Mwah! My rooty part is still a little bit darker though. I think I have some banding. Probably should not be touching it with my finger that's been stinging. That is the lift we like to see up in here. But there is like quite a bit of orangey yellow. This orangey yellow banding. I find for my roots I just need 1 scoop of like 30 milliliters for 1 application. I'm gonna use 40 volume again because my hair is wet. Whenever you put bleach on wet hair, it does dilute the bleach down to 10 volumes less. So it's basically gonna be like I'm applying 30 volume. And this time I'm putting a little less developer in it so that it's not as watery. The more liquidy the bleach, the longer that it will process because it won't dry out as quickly. But I don't want it to move so much in my hair, so I'm gonna keep it a little bit less liquidy. I actually do feel like it looks less yellow than it usually does. So let's put a little more of this. I can't see that well and you probably can't either. I apologize. This will never happen again. I'm gonna stick to Nami's Ratchet Whitewash Room Salon. I really should find some gloves. I don't want my hands to rip apart. I'm kind of still scared my hair will fall off, but you know. If it does, I just shave it, you know?
Looks good.
I'm scared every time that my hair will fall off, but you know.
It looks very good though.
Thanks. I feel like I won't be able to see as much here, but gotta show you guys. "15 minutes. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer because the back doesn't look as lifted. Right there, it's like still dark. I'm going to put on this bleach wash right now. It's really yellow and then it's really blue here. I have this like really watery bleach wash. I'm kind of scared. I think my hair will break, but you know, what else? Yeah, my hair is just going and breaking. Oh, I can see the color coming off already. And my hair too. Hopefully this will be enough to just fade the color a bit. This is when you say Nami's poor hair. Not when I'm actually like coloring it with masks. When I'm washing it with bleach, this is when you say Nami's poor hair. Do you see this color difference? I don't know. People can say I have a bad bleach job, but whatever. I'll just say, yeah, it's bad. It's just badly done at the end. So, is someone gonna die from that? Like, someone's gonna die from my bad bleach job? Huh? It's not like any more mouths will be fed just because I do better bleach job on my head. Like, instead of worrying, like, maybe we should donate to important causes in this world. Not just worry about my bad bleach job, you know? I mean, if I don't care, then it's not like it's gonna affect anyone or their health unless you are severely disturbed by bad bleach jobs. Then maybe my Nami's Ratchet Salon is not for you. Take care of your health and do not watch my videos if you are triggered. Look at all of my hair is breaking now. This is like the most my hair has ever broken. You see the color difference of my roots? Oh, what is it? Bubbles. Yeah, hurting bubbles. Yeah, so hurting. No touching, okay?
Wow, look, you found a rat inside the hole.
They're still banding, but you can't really see it. You can see it in person, but I think it'll go away after I tone it. I wish I waited an hour for my last bleaching to process. Then all of this banding will be gone. Do you see it? You can kind of see my banding there. In person, it looks like golden plus platinum banding. What a mess. What a mess, what a mess. I love this color. Yes. Let's throw in Violet's additive. I can't believe I've been doing my own hair for a year now. It's so pretty. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's in my eye. Am I okay? At least it's not bleach and just toner, but oh my gosh, it looks so good, guys. I mean, on camera it looks good. In person, it's kind of a little bit blotchy. When I come out of the shower, you can probably see it more. And this isn't even all of it. This is like half of it. Look how much hair I lost.
Oh, that's your hair?
Yeah. I'm actually really proud of myself. Like, I can't wait to show you how it looks dry. But you can still see a bit of the blue Colorista that I put in like a while ago. Like 2 months ago. But, oh my gosh. I'm like surprised every time because every time I do my bleach, I'm like scared that it's gonna get messed up or my hair is gonna fall off. And then every time it doesn't fall off, I'm like surprised because it turns out pretty good. My hair snapped off. It was just a chunk, this chunk right here. I think it's because I went over it twice. The second application before the blotchy banding. Like, I did my 4 pieces and then I did the bottom. And then at the end, I did my sections, and then I did the bottom again. So I think that's why my bottom snapped, because this part was bleached 4 times compared to the rest of the hair.
Looks cute.
Oh, Daddy!
What a cutie. You should just.
You want to see an undercut?
Yeah. Go for it.
Should I shave myself an undercut? Let me know right here and down here. It's been like 2 days since I've done my roots and I wanted to look at what my scalp looks like. I should have done this like right after I bleached my roots. It felt like I washed my whole head with a super drying product and then like, you know the feeling like after you wash your face with a super drying product and you don't put moisturizer on or like lotion on, your face gets like so tight. My whole head felt so tight and like numb. So I wish I showed you, but next time I do my roots, I promise I'll show you right after what my roots look like. Yesterday it was feeling still a little bit tight. Today it's a little better. It doesn't feel as tight. So I have my microscope here. I have my microscope! Oh, it's so cool. Oh, look how shiny my hair is. I think my hair like is pretty moisturized now because I haven't washed it since I bleached it. It's been like 2 days. Whoa, whoa, my hair is growing already. It's only been 2 days. Oh, look, it looks really moisturized. It doesn't look dry at all. Huh, I was expecting it to look a lot more dry and irritated and red. But I think 2 days is a good amount of recovery for my scalp. I want to know what happened to the hair that literally melted. I think it broke off from the bleach being overlapped. They just look like the ends are just melted off. See, they don't even look like they're damaged. It looks like crystals that literally just got seared. I don't think I will ever do my hair outside of my bathroom again. That was very, very difficult in a washroom that I'm not familiar with, like furniture that I'm not familiar and stuff. Yeah, let's never do that again. But it turned out great. I mean, good job, Nami. Good job. And my scalp doesn't look as damaged as I thought it would. We'll see the next time I bleach my roots though. We'll look at my scalp right away. So I'll see you next time. Bye!